Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle? The secret often lies in one key factor: accountability. Accountability is that invisible force that keeps us on the right track, pushing us towards our aspirations and dreams. It's the cornerstone of personal and professional development, the very foundation upon which we build our success. But what makes accountability so powerful? Well, it's all about ownership. When we take accountability, we take ownership of our actions, our decisions, and ultimately, our outcomes. It means standing up and saying, "Yes, I did this. This is my result." It's about accepting the reality of our situation, no matter how challenging or uncomfortable it might be. Accountability also fosters discipline. It's the internal compass that guides us, keeping us focused on our goals and aspirations. It encourages us to establish routines, stick to them, and constantly work towards bettering ourselves. It's like an internal check and balance system that helps us stay on track, even when the going gets tough. Consistency is another gift of accountability. It's the steady hand that keeps us moving forward, day after day, week after week. It's the force that helps us keep our promises, meet our deadlines, and stay committed to our goals. Without consistency, our dreams remain just that, dreams. But with it, we can turn those dreams into reality. And finally, accountability aids in achieving goals. By holding ourselves accountable, we can identify what's working, what's not, and make necessary adjustments. It empowers us to learn from our mistakes, celebrate our victories, and continually strive for improvement. Accountability isn't always easy. It requires honesty, courage, and determination. But the rewards it brings are well worth the effort. Because accountability is more than just a trait or characteristic. It's a tool, a strategy, a catalyst for success. Indeed, accountability is not just a trait, it's a catalyst for success. So, how does one cultivate this life-altering trait? Here are some practical steps. Let's start with goal setting. It's the first step towards accountability. You see, goals provide a clear vision of what you want to achieve. But not just any goals. We're talking about SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A specific goal could be, I want to read 2 books each month. It's measurable because you can count the number of books you read. It's achievable and relevant if you enjoy reading and have the time to do it. And it's time-bound because you've set a monthly deadline. Once your goals are set, it's time to create routines that align with them. Routines are the scaffolds that support your goals. For instance, if your goal is to read 2 books each month, your routine could be to read for an hour every evening. The key here is consistency. It's not about perfection, it's about making small, consistent efforts that lead to big changes. Now, how do you ensure you're sticking to your routine? This is where tracking progress comes into play. It's like a reality check. It helps you see where you stand in relation to your goals. You can use a journal, an app, or a simple checklist. Whatever method you choose, make it a habit to track your progress regularly. This not only keeps you accountable, but also provides a sense of accomplishment. Finally, remember that developing accountability is not a one-time event. It's a continuous journey that requires persistence and commitment. It's about making a conscious effort every single day to move closer to your goals. It's about owning your actions and taking responsibility for your progress. And most importantly, it's about celebrating small victories along the way, because every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards greater accountability. Remember, the journey towards accountability is a step-by-step process. In the path towards accountability, 3 more elements play a crucial role: self-reflection, responsibility, and resilience. Let's start with self-reflection. This is the mirror we hold up to ourselves, the lens through which we examine our actions and their consequences. It's the process of asking ourselves, why did I do that? And what can I learn from this? Next up, responsibility. This is the backbone of accountability. Taking responsibility means owning our actions, the good and the not so good, and understanding that our choices have impact. Last but not least, resilience. The journey to accountability isn't always smooth. There will be bumps along the road, setbacks, and failures. But resilience is what helps us get back on track. It's the grit that keeps us going, the determination to learn from our missteps and keep striving for improvement. These elements not only aid in developing accountability, but also in becoming a better version of oneself. Accountability is not an overnight transformation, but a journey. It's a voyage that you embark upon, armed with the tools of goal setting, routine creation, and progress tracking. It's a journey that requires the courage to look inward, to reflect and take responsibility even when the going gets tough. And it's a journey that, once embarked upon, leads to a destination of self-improvement and success. Now, it's your turn to take these steps, to integrate them into your daily life, and to experience their transformative power firsthand. And as you do, we invite you to share your experiences, your triumphs, and your challenges in the comments section. Let's cultivate a community of responsibility, a community where each of us holds the other accountable, where each of us helps the other grow. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with those who might benefit from it. Stay accountable, stay successful,